This is our beer nut assembly for the 5/16 straight tailpiece. It comes with a 5/16 tailpiece, a beer washer, and then a beer nut. SKU number BNAST-0516 for 5/16. So our beer nut assembly with different tailpieces attached, the three pieces will attach to any beer shank, so like a jockey box shank or a wall shank or a jockey box coupler that goes through the cooler itself. And then this is the same threads that go onto either end of a beer coupler as well. You've got your three pieces, so you've got your beer nut, your tailpiece, and then your beer washer. So those three pieces will attach itself to the end of any shank. And then the size of the tailpiece will be dictated by the size of the tubing that you're attaching to it.